The first sound you're going to be teaching your child is the sound of a, like an apple, okay? And I have an assistant here who's going to help me show you how to work with your child. So Dominic, my assistant, would you come forward, please? Thank you. Okay, so this is your child, but this is Dominic. He's a new star here. Say hi.
Hi.
Good. So Dominic, this sound is a, like an apple. Can you say a?
Ah.
Perfect. Okay. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to create a game with Dominic and we're going to put Dominic and Sue, so it's more of a game, right? Okay. So I'm going to tap it, and I want you guys to tap it between 1 and 3 times, and I'm going to show you, and then your child is going to say it after you tap it, okay? So here's an illustration. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to tap it, and after I tap it, I want you to say it. You ready? Oh, wonderful. I don't get any stars, but you do. Okay, here we go. I'm going to try to trick you. Oh, my goodness, I get nothing. Okay, this one I'm going to trick you, I know. Ah, killing me. I have nothing. Ah, beautiful. Well, I think you know this. Do you think you know that? Okay, good. So now I'm going to give you the pointer. So now we're going to go the other way. I'm going to say it, and you're going to say it, and then they're going to tap it, because this is another way, okay? So I'm going to say it, and after I say it, I want you to tap it right there, however many times I say it. But I want you to say it as you tap it. Okay, here we go. You ready? Ah. Perfect. Ah, ah. Oh my goodness. Ah, ah, ah. Good. And get closer to it just because you want to own that sound. I think you kind of own it, don't you? Okay, good. So it might take longer. Dominic is a little familiar with this, so however long it takes your child, it doesn't matter. And the next thing you're going to do is get out this paper, and you're going to have them read. These are cut into separate things. Normally we would be sitting down now, but we're pretending here. So would you like, now always have them start on the left and have them read. You're teaching them left to right, straight lines, spaces in between words, letters, okay? But we're teaching them that. That's how English is set up. Okay, you ready? Where do you start? Very good. So you can use your pointer if you want, or you can use your finger. Go ahead and read those to me. Perfect. Let's go to that one. Wonderful. And next one. Excellent. Good. So that's how you do that. You also have separate as in your materials where you cut up and you hide them around the room. Do you like it when we do the hiding game? That's fun for them. And then you sit them down, and I have a separate video on how to teach them how to write these sounds, okay? So that's all for this one.